Hey guys, so here we have a stunning 2017 Rolls-Royce Dawn. This car is finished with a very nice pearl satin white vinyl wrap. Now this car sustained a very hard impact in the quarter panel, and it needs a quarter panel replacement. This car was previously at a shop in New Jersey, which was not Rolls-Royce certified. That being said, they could not get the parts. Since we are a Rolls-Royce certified shop and can get the parts, the car came to us. Now, because of the delicate aluminum structure of this car, it's very important that this job is carried out by a Rolls-Royce certified technician using Rolls-Royce certified equipment. This car is going to go up on a Celette bench frame machine. The quarter panel is going to be changed, and then we're going to continue out the repair process.